weather and climate. Dear children, morning we feel cool. As time passes, the temperature goes on increasing. In afternoon, it reaches its maximum. We feel very hot. And once again, there is a decline in the temperature in evening. Again, evening and night, we feel cool. A sudden changes of atmosphere at a particular place and time is called weather. Weather is defined as the condition of air pressure, air temperature, wind, humidity and rainfall at a given place and time. Weather changes every day. It may be hot and dry today, but tomorrow it may be rainy and wet. The weather conditions in the morning is different from that in the evening. Changes in the weather conditions give rise to seasons. In India, we enjoy 3 seasons. They are summer, winter and monsoon or rainy season. Our lifestyle varies according to these seasons. It influences what we eat, what we wear and even the type of houses we live in. For example, in summer season, we wear cotton cloths and we like to have tender coconut, nimbu sharbat, watermelon, etc. In winter season, we wear woolen cloths. It keeps ourselves warm. And also we like to have some hot drinks like coffee, tea, soup, etc. And in monsoon or rainy season, we wear raincoats. It keeps ourselves dry. It also determines the crops that farmers grow. The weather conditions that prevail over a large area and for a long period of time is called climate. The climatic condition of a place remains more or less the same year after year. Different parts of the world have different types of climatic conditions. For example, in India, we have 3 seasons. But in Saudi Arabia, they have only summer and winter seasons. Because many factors influence the distribution of heat on the earth, thereby affecting the climate. We will see one by one. The first factor is distance from the equator. Near the equator, the sun rays are vertical and spread over a small area. As we move away from the equator and towards the poles, the rays become slanting and cover a larger area. Thus, the places near the equator receive more heat. These places are hotter than those which are away from the equator. The second factor is height above the sea level or altitude. Altitude means height of an object above the sea level. In India, some hill stations such as Nainital, Shimla in Himachal Pradesh, Kulu, Manali, Dehradun in Uttarakhand. As we move towards the southern India, Ooty, Kodaikanal in Tamil Nadu are even cool in the summer. Most peaks in the Himalayas are covered by snow during summers. This shows that the places located at higher altitude are cooler than those at lower altitude, even if they are situated on the same latitude. The third factor is distance from the sea. The places near the coast have a moderate climate. It is neither too hot nor very cold here. For example, Puducherry, Chennai in Tamil Nadu, Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, Bhubaneswar in Orissa and Kolkata in West Bengal. These cities are located near the coast. These places have a moderate climate. This is due to the effect of sea breeze. Water bodies heat up and cool down at slower rate than the land. In summer, therefore, the sea is cooler than the land. Hence, air over the sea cooler than that air over the land. This cool air called sea breeze. Children, see here. In summer, sea breeze blows towards the land. In winter, opposite happens. The land breeze moves towards the sea and the land becomes warmer. The places away from the sea coast, they do not get sea breeze. They are extremely hot in summer and very cold in winter. Such a climate is called as extreme climate. For example, the states lies in the central India like Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh. These states experience extreme climate, means very hot in summer and very cold in winter. For example, let us compare the climatic condition of Chennai and Delhi. Children, look at Chennai is located along the coast. It is nearer to the equator. Equator is passes through an Indian Ocean, but Delhi is far away from the sea coast. Chennai should be hotter than the Delhi in summer. Actually, this is not so because Chennai experiences mild climate throughout the year because of sea breeze. But Delhi experiences extreme climate because this is far away from the sea coast. The next point is direction of winds. Winds blowing from hot regions increase the temperature of a place, while those blowing from cold regions decrease the temperature. For example, Delhi is very hot in summer due to the hot and dry winds that blow from Rajasthan. In winter, cold winds from the Himalayas makes the northern plains very cold, and sometimes winds bring clouds with them and cause heavy rainfall. The last point is humidity and rainfall. Moisture or water vapor present in the air is called humidity. Humid air causes a good rainfall. The places near the equator have hot and humid climate and receive a very good rainfall. For example, in our country, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, both states are located near the equator. Kerala gets heavy rainfall every year in rainy season. Tamil Nadu also gets a good rainfall in winter season. Air over the deserts does not have moisture, so these regions receive little rainfall or no rainfall. For example, Thar Desert of Rajasthan in our country. Very cold places receive snowfall. For example, the Himalayas in our country receive snowfall in summer season also.